Zombies. Milk. And happy shopping. Happy meal buy milk.
Oh, buy milk. Okay, we'll go buy milk. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Welcome back sa ating maliit na channel. So, it is Tuesday guys ng hapon and it's currently 2 o'clock. Ngayon lang ako magla-lunch break kasi sobrang busy talaga sa work guys. Like, super duper busy. Kaya ngayon lang ako makakalabas. Si Mike pala, umalis siya kanina. Nag-lunch break siya ng mag-isa. Kasi nga, super busy si atin. Hindi kami nagkasama. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon, guys, is aalis ako. Since, maganda naman yung araw sa labas, guys. So, very sunny siya sa labas. Kaya, sasamantalahin ko na. I am planning to go to Chadstone Shopping Center. Kasi magtingin-tingin ako ng mga joggers, guys. Yung tracksuit pants ba? Katulad nitong suot ko ngayon. Pakita ko. So, ayan, guys. Oh, baggy look lang tayo today. So, I want to get something like this, guys. Kay Mike pala to, guys. Sinuot ko kasi very comfortable man siya. Tapos, very warm. But, I want to get something na is smaller than this. Kasi, as you can see, guys, oh, medyo mahaba siya. Medyo malaki siya. Hindi ko gusto yung fit niya. But this one is size medium, guys. Kaya naman, medyo malaki siya. So, I'm gonna need a size small. And ito lang yung suot ko, guys. Simula pa kaninang umaga kasi hinatid namin si Paris sa childcare. So, wala si Paris dito ngayon. And, yun na din guys, sasamantalahin ko na kasi habang may time ako, si Paris sa childcare, then I can do stuff like this. So, I'm gonna go now guys and I'll see you again very soon. Bye! Ganda talaga ng araw guys. Very sunny. Very nice. But alam nyo guys, yung Chadstone Shopping Center is only, ano lang guys, mga 7 minutes drive away from here. Kaya hindi siya malayo. Guys, check natin mailbox. Uy! Uy, ang dami! Hala! Hala, si ate niyo. Saan nag-shopping si ate? Tingnan niyo guys, oh. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Hindi ko na alam yung mga laman nito guys, oh. So, i-unbox natin mamaya. Hala, kailangan ko na palang magpagasolina, guys. Oh, 30 kilometers na lang ang naiwan. Dito tayo sa 90-minute express. Parking, nag-park, guys. Kasi, mabilis lang naman tayo. Super, super quick. Ang daming mga sasakyan dito, ah. Kahit weekdays, marami pa rin nagsha-shopping. And guys, sa Chadstone Shopping Center. And alam nyo, Chadstone Shopping Center is the biggest shopping center sa Australia. And we're very lucky kasi nakatira kami dito. Sobrang lapit lang talaga. Pick upin ko na si Paris, but nag-stop muna ako dito sa petrol station. Magpagasolina muna tayo para hindi natin itulod ang ating sakyanan. Hi guys! Very ngit-ngit kami dito kasi nandito kami sa sasakyan. Pinick up ko lang si Paris. Andyan siya guys, oh. Very talkative. And hindi sumama si Daddy Mike guys.
Got it down.
Toys.
No, a circle.
A circle.
No, a deer. Yes, sorry. A balloon.
A blue balloon.
Oh, my balloon.
Where's yours? Shush, balingit na bata. Oy.
A blue balloon.
What's the color of the... Oh, wow. Well done, Baba.
Bubble.
Yeah, my bubble. What's the color of your bubble, sweetheart?
More bubble.
More bubble?
More bubble, please.
More bubble, please.
Guys,
More bubble,
a
please.
big one. A big.
Balloon. Pinapanood niya, guys, oh. No umuwi kami from childcare, pinick up ko siya, guys. She wasn't very happy. For some reason, she was very suki. And, yeah, ayaw niya magpaglaro. Nagdede lang siya, tapos nakatulog siya konti. I think she's just tired and I'm hoping na hindi siya unwell, guys. Kasi minsan, alam ko pag hindi maganda yung pagkaramdam niya, ganyan siya. But ngayon, naglalaro-laro na siya, guys. Oh, so that's good. Pop! Pop! More bubbles, please.
Okay.
Ready? Na. Oh, shush! You say it, nak. Ready? Steady? No, wala man.
Look.
Wow, nearly. Fix your hair, B. Wow. Wala na na? Oh, nearly, honey.
A fire blue bubble.
A blue bubble.
A big bubble.
A big one. Oh,
Ooh. Tippy more.
oh, nearly.
Fire.
Do it again. Trying again.
Okay. More bubble.
Whoa.
Pretty fish. A fish.
It's a fish. It's a goldfish.
No, a fish.
Oh, orange fish. Di siya gold, guys. Orange fish.
Here,
to.
here, for more fish. Here, for more fish.
More fish.
I think make fish.
Yeah. Ready? Say ready, steady, go. Say ready.
And it's a real bear.
Oh, wow, the bear is drinking milk.
Zombies. Milk. And happy shopping. And buy milk.
I'll buy milk. Okay, we'll go buy milk.
Marble fish.
Huh?
Hold.
Catch, 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 catch! Yay! Oh!
Good job. So guys, may dumating pala kanina. Ito yung in-order ni Mike online. 1C para kay Paris na cow. So sabi namin sa kanya na meron kaming surprise. Ipapakita natin sa kanya. I think this is a bit big for her, but hayaan nyo na. Pambahay lang naman. We'll see kung anong reaction niya. Paris! There, in the mirror, have a look at yourself.
Moo!
No, no.
No nose. Where's Paris's tail?
There.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Off.
That's gonna look really nice when you're
Tingnan
sleeping.
niyo ang ating bata, guys. Oh, sinuot niya yung onesie niya, nabili ng tatay niya. Hello, cow. Hello, cow. Momo. So, hi guys! Nandito lang kami ngayon sa bedroom kasi binihisan ko si Paris. Suot-suot niya na yung binili sa kanya ni Mike. So cute, guys. Kaya lang, busy siya, guys. Busy yung linya niya, kaya ayaw niya akong kausapin. But, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog before. After kong mag-work, I went to pick up Paris. And then, after Paris, guys, pumunta ako sa Springvale kasi may pinick up ako na naputubulang huy again. Off, okay, that's off. So, thank you very much, Sir Israel Villarosa, sa always nga lamian nga kuan. Putubulang huy. And, binigyan din niya ako ng suman, guys. Na din, ang tawag yung parang kasaba din siya na suman, pero meron siyang nasa ilalim. Ignorante, manggod ko hindi ko alam kung ano yung nasa ilalim ba. Yan kasi pag hindi marunong magluto, wala igoy alam. Tsaka nga pala guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko sa Charleston Shopping Center kaninang lunch break ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog guys kasi alam niyo naman si lola nyo, nagmamadali pag lunch break kasi konti lang yung oras ba. So I just went there solely para bumili ng tracksuit pants. And nakabili ako sa shop na JD. Ayan. King of Trainers. Ayan, ito yung plastic bag nila, oh. Parang butanganan sa sagbot ba. Anyways, nakita na ko sa inyo, guys. Ito yung binili ko, yung black na Nike na tracksuit pants. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng pair. And before, hindi talaga ako bumili guys. But now, nafe-feel ko na talaga yung weather na gumiginaw na siya. That's why I decided to get a pair for myself guys. So itong suot-suot ko ngayon guys, ayan, kay Mike to siya. Kaya medyo maluwang sa akin ba. Kaya bumili ako for myself. So extra small to siya guys. And standard fit. Ayan. So, i-insert ko yung video, guys, kasi nag-send ako ng video kay Mike kanina kasi pinapili ko siya. May nakita kasi akong isa, yun talaga yung unang nakita ko. Very, the same na style nito, but gray yun siya. So, I was contemplating between the two, kung alin yung mas maganda. Pero, before ako pumunta dun, guys, sa isip ko talaga, I want a black one. Kaya ito yung nabili ko guys. And the price pala nito guys is, I thought naka-sale siya guys. Kasi merong mga sign sa labas na sale. Pero this particular one is bago daw na style. Kaya ayan guys. Nagbayad si lola nyo ng $100 para sa tracksuit pants na to. But anyways, I really like this one guys. And for sure, I'm gonna get a lot of use nito. Kaya it's fine. And also guys, kanina diba nag-check ako ng mailbox and merong 3 na dumating. So, I'm not sure kung anong mga laman nito guys. So, this one is from, I don't know, hindi ko alam. Maybe this one is from AliExpress and these 2 are from eBay. So, open natin sila isa-isa guys ha. Oh, I really love opening guys, yung mga parcels ba kasi parang Christmas. Okay. Ito pala yung eyebrow pencil guys.
Fish.
Ayan.
Puppy.
Oh, what's this knock?
A picture.
Oh, eyebrow mama. There you go. You wanna hold? Stop. Put it in the plastic bag. Oh. And then this one guys is from eBay as well. I think I know what this one is kasi nafe-feel ko, ayan. So, phone casing ko siya, guys. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung kulay, guys. Oh. So, kung nanood kayo ng previous video ko before, yung Getting to Know Me Better, ito, guys, ito yung favorite kulay ko, yung Dusty Pink Rose. Kasi yung sa akin, guys, ito yung phone ko, guys, oh. Very dirty na kasi yung isa, kaya bumili ako ng bago. Walak-lak, oh. Wow! Can you put Mama's phone in it? Do you know how to? Ayan. Bilisan na natin, guys, kasi itong bata natin is katulugo na siya. And pagpasensyahan niyo pala yung first lock natin today, guys, ha? Kasi naghilamos lang tayo, guys. Today, wala tayong makeup kasi alam niyo na, pag tinatamad si ate niyo, walang pakialam sa mukha niya. And then, this last one here, guys. Medyo mahirap siyang i-open kasi plastic ba? Naku, do you know how to open this na?
Open my bag.
Hmm?
Open toys.
Okay. What's this? Oh, another, guys, eyebrow pencil. Ito yung binili ko sa, sa AliExpress. Tapos yung isa sa eBay. Iba yung brands nila. But they're all dark brown, I think. Ayan. Oh, that's good. Kasi yung isa ko, guys, na eyebrow pencil, paubos na rin siya. So, it's good na dumating sila sabay. And you know what, guys? Because this one is from China. It takes forever to arrive here, guys. God knows kung kailan ko in-order yan. Buwan. Ilang buwan na siguro. So, ayan na, guys. Oh. Install na natin siya. Install. Ayan. O, diba? Hindi to siya mahal, guys. Very cute. Tingnan niyo yung kulay niya, guys. Oh. Super cute. That's why I love online shopping, guys. Kasi pag dumating sila, parang Christmas lang siya or birthday ba na nag-open ka ng mga gifts mo. From me to me. So guys, i-end ko na yung vlog natin dito kasi baka mahaba-haba na siya. And also, its time check is 9:20 na ng gabi. So Paris has to go to bed kasi meron siyang childcare again bukas. And we will now do a little shout out. Again, thank you very much sa ating mga bagong viewers, sa mga bagong nag-subscribe. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung little channel natin. And marami tayong mga videos dyan na pwede nyo panoorin kung bago pa kayo dito. Kasi I'm pretty sure na malapit nang mag 300 ang videos na na-upload ko dito sa YouTube. O, diba? Very hardworking lang talaga tong atin nyo. Firstly, I would like to shout out Joanne Ambe. Hello, sis! Welcome sa ating channel and sana ma-enjoy mo yung stay mo dito and sana wag mo akong iwan. Shout out to Mika and Sky. Jess Shill. Hello, Dai. I can't wait to see you this weekend. I'm very, very excited. Shout out to Zyrel Ko. Nag-comment siya, guys, sa last video ko na daw, wow, sis, looking young. Kala ko 25 ka lang. Oh, diba? Bukad ang aking atay is. Kaya kala ko 25 lang daw. Shout out to Jenilyn World. Hello. Marilyn Drudge. Shout out to you, sis. Christine Joy Tabak. Introvert Gail. Remedios Basilio. Marife Cabanero. Joy Pangan. Amy and Anthony, hello, Dai. Thank you sa pag-watch. Janet Gordon, hello, friendship. Charis Malibiran. Rosemi Arkita, hello, Bes. Shout out to Sheng Balusan, Junray Gikan, and Gina Gikan from CDO, hello. Shout out to Joy Fam, hello, ganda. Shout out to Joyce Ryuyan. Cindy Tan, and to my friendship Lolis family, hello, Dai, love you, Dai. Shout out to Catalina Mempin, Cactus PH, Amber Kikai's World, Rosemary Ramoir, Lohan Pasadas, Alice Gracia, NYC Family TV, Jocelyn Lituanias, Kathleen Domo, hello, sa mga taga-barangay size, Odessa Donghil, hello, Dai, I hope gadam-gudam ko, gihapon ka na ako. Shout out to Rizalyn May Bating. Sabi niya, guys, hindi daw siya nag-skip ng mga ads. So, thank you talaga very much. Malaking tulong. Shout out to GDax Vlogs. Richard Antiga. Shout out to Diana Jane Bravo. Mary Jane Subere. Red Sibial. Rosette Pasyente. And Bing Salvi Salan. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood, sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!